Welcome to the Seal Expert video presentation. Today, we are going to show you how to perform an offline pipe leak repair using the RepSeal Quick Repair Kit. This repair procedure is meant for low-pressure pipe leaks that can be shut down temporarily for approximately 30 minutes. Before performing the repair works, it is necessary to clean and roughen the pipe surface. Whenever possible, you should use a mechanical power tool, for example, wire brush and sander, to perform surface preparation works. After the surface preparation is completed, the surface should be free of loose particles, rust, and debris. Also, ensure that the surface is free of oil, grease, and chemicals. In this video, we are using hand tool wire brush and sand belt for illustration purposes. In the oil and gas and offshore industry, surface preparation follows a more stringent requirement. It is necessary to ensure prepared surfaces comply to international standards, for example, ST2 and surface profile to 60 micron roughness. Depending on the environment where the work is carried out, a spark-free tool may be required. The RepSeal Quick Repair Kit consists of a small portion of the SS106 underwater epoxy stick, meant for pinhole leaks. If the defect size is much larger, you will need to use additional SS106 seal stick. The amount of seal stick used should be at least 3 times the defect size. For illustration purposes, we are using the SS102 steel epoxy stick in this video. Remove the plastic protective cover. Mix the two components until the color is uniform. If the seal stick is applied directly on the defective surface and you require a soft texture, you can mix the seal stick for about 3 minutes. In this video, the seal stick is mixed for 3 minutes and the texture is soft. When applying on the defective surface, press the seal stick evenly into the cracks and crevices. Ensure good surface adhesion by pressing along the edges of the seal stick. You will take approximately 15 minutes at an ambient temperature of 30 degrees Celsius to attain a defect-free curing. After the seal stick is cured, open the pack of RepSeal fiberglass tape and soak in water for about 10 seconds. Squeezing the fiberglass tape to ensure water is fully immersed. Remove the RepSeal fiberglass tape and start wrapping around the pipe at about 100 mm before the leak location. Wrap the pipe as evenly and tightly as possible, pulling slightly after each round of wrapping. Apply the entire roll over the pipe surface with at least 50% overlap for the entire repair pipe length. The working time is approximately 30 seconds for each roll of fiberglass tape at 30 degrees pipe surface temperature. After the RepSeal fiberglass repair tape is fully cured, it will attain approximately 80 Shaw-D hardness. In order to remove the cured fiberglass tape, you will need to saw along the two sections of the repaired surface 180 degrees away from each other. Next, use a chisel and hammer to gently chisel and cut off the fiberglass repair tape. Finally, pry open the fiberglass repair tape using a screwdriver. For more information about our products, visit us at sealexpert.com.